Commence emergency landing procedure. Flaps up.
If you hear these jet prices, you might crash too. These are 5 of the most expensive private jets in the world. Bombardier Global 800. $78 million. That's the price of a 30-story tower in Istanbul. Gulfstream G700. $80 million. Enough to buy 80 brand new Porsche 911s. Boeing 747-8 VIP. $567 million. That's more than the entire air fleet of some countries. Airbus ACJ350. Around $350 million. You could buy a private island with its own airport. And finally, the Airbus A380 Custom at around $600 million, owned by a Saudi prince with a concert hall, garage, and even an elevator inside. These aren't just jets, they're symbols of power. Which one would you choose? Drop it in the comments.